Excuse me, hello. I think my seat is right next to yours. I am in seat 14B.
Oh, yes. Here you go. You can sit down.
Thank you very much. Let me just put my bag up here. Okay, done. Are you okay, miss? You look a little pale.
Yes. I am okay. It is just... I don't like airplanes. This is my first time flying. I am very scared.
Ah, I understand. Your first flight. That is a big day. It is very normal to feel scared. Many people feel nervous on their first flight. My name is Mr. Marr, by the way. What is your name?
My name is Lily. Nice to meet you, Mr. Marr.
Nice to meet you too, Lily. Please, take a deep breath. Like this. Try it with me. In and out.
In and out.
Very good. See? You are doing great. Flying is actually very safe. It is safer than driving a car. The pilot is very clever, and this is a very big, strong plane.
I hope so. But the engines are so loud.
Yes, they are loud, but that means they are strong. They will take us up into the sky very safely. Where are you going today, Lily? Are you going for a holiday?
Yes, I am going to visit my sister. She lives in London. I haven't seen her for 2 years.
London. That is wonderful. London is a beautiful city. There are so many things to see. Big Ben, the London Eye, the beautiful parks. Does your sister know you are coming?
Yes, she is waiting for me at the airport. She is going to make my favorite dinner.
That sounds delicious. What is your favorite dinner?
Roast chicken and potatoes. She makes the best roast chicken.
Oh, now I am hungry. Thinking about good food is a great way to forget about being scared. Look, the plane is moving now. We are going to the runway.
Oh no, we are moving. My hands are sweating.
It is okay, Lily. Hold on to the armrest if you want to. Just look at me. Don't look out the window right now. Look at me. Let's talk about London. What is the first thing you want to do tomorrow?
I want to go to the park. I want to walk in Hyde Park.
Beautiful choice. Hyde Park is very green and peaceful. You can feed the ducks in the water. Okay, Lily, the plane is going fast now. We are taking off. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, we are in the air.
Yes, we are. And look, it is very smooth. We are flying like a bird. You did it, Lily. The hardest part is over.
Phew, we are in the sky. That was fast.
Yes, it was. You were very brave. Now, the plane will just go straight and flat. It is like riding a bus now. A very fast bus in the sky.
A fast bus, yes. Thank you, Mr. Marr. Talking to you helped me a lot.
You are very welcome. I am happy to help. I fly a lot for my work. I make videos to teach people English. So, I am always talking.
Really? You teach English? That is very interesting.
Yes, I have a channel called English Listening with Mr. Marr. I help people practice listening to English, just like we are doing now. Simple, easy conversation.
That is very nice. I am learning English too. Sometimes it is hard to understand people when they speak fast.
Exactly. That is why I always tell my students, speak slowly, listen carefully. Oh, look, the seatbelt sign is off. The flight attendants are bringing the food and drinks. What would you like to drink?
I think I will have some orange juice and maybe some water. My mouth is very dry.
Orange juice is good. It has vitamin C. I will have a cup of hot coffee. I love drinking coffee on airplanes. They are drinking their drinks.
Mr. Marr, look out the window now. The clouds look like cotton candy. They are so white and fluffy.
Yes, they do. It is beautiful up here, isn't it? Above the clouds, the sun is always shining. It is a completely different world. Are you still scared?
No, not anymore. I feel relaxed. The seat is comfortable, the juice is sweet, and the view is amazing.
I am very glad to hear that. You see, trying new things can be scary at first, but when you do it, it is usually okay.
Yes, you are right. Oh, what was that? Why did we shake?
Oh, that is just a little turbulence. It is like a bump in the road when you drive a car. The wind outside is just blowing a little strong. It is completely safe. The plane is made for this.
A bump in the road. Okay, I am okay.
Yes, you are perfectly okay. Just keep drinking your juice. It will stop in a minute. See? It stopped already.
Yes, thank you. You are a very good teacher, Mr. Marr. You know how to make people feel calm.
Thank you, Lily. That is very kind of you. Well, the pilot says we will land in about 30 minutes. Time flies fast when you are talking.
Yes, it does. I can't wait to see my sister. And I can't wait to eat that roast chicken.
Me too, and I am not even eating it. Make sure to give your sister a big hug.
I will, and thank you for your help today. I think I will like flying from now on.
You are very welcome, Lily. Enjoy your time in London. Keep practicing your English.
I will. Goodbye, Mr. Marr.
Goodbye, Lily. Have a wonderful trip.